Money.
Movements today.
Yeah, as usual, it's part of the procedures. We were in court thinking they bring the witnesses, cross-examine them. We know we finish with maybe one or two of them. But unfortunately, an expert application was brought that they are waiting for a fiat from a learned Sikh, that a Sikh will come to take over the prosecuting team. So it's going to be to lead their team. And that is why the court granted the application, and we equally move our motion on notice for bail, which it was eventually adjourned to 10th of next month for the ruling. That was what happened today.
Are you happy with the procedures?
Oh, of course, yes, we are moving. It's good. If it had been like this since about 3-4 years they've been kept, perhaps we would have finished this case.
So are you sure your clients will be house free?
Oh, don't let us preempt. Let's leave that to what will eventually happen in court.
You alluded to the fact that you were denied access, but today we saw that access to your clients who have been approved, how do you say this, are moving forward?
And they are relating with their relatives.
Anyway, don't let me say it because now I'm here. Don't let me say anything concerning that. Yeah, we had it in court that it has been approved. But I'll tell you then, let me just keep quiet there. Don't worry about that.
Have you ever been able to meet with them? Or how long has this been going on that you haven't been able to meet with your clients?
I've not been able to meet my clients. I've not been able to meet them until last date.
In the entire 3 years?
In the entire years. If I tell you what I went through in this matter, they told me they were in Kainji Dam. I had to travel to Kainji Dam. They were not there. They were kept here. They were kept here.
But their health conditions?
No. That's what I asked them. Are you maltreated? They said, no. Oh, I'm so lovely about that. Since they were not tampered. The health, there's a problem. Though, according to them, there are good facilities, but they were not given access to it.
Is it not better that now they've approved it, that you put it on record, that it is on the court now they've attested that they've approved it, that you take another trial, not preempting what will happen? That's what we want to understand.
Come again?
I said now they've approved the authorization for you to
visitation.
Yes, so I want you to be on record that now they've confessed to it that they've done it, that you don't preempt what will happen. That
we have seen them today. So except if the family wants to go, then maybe I guide them. But we've seen them. I've asked them the question I want. And they've told me.
They were able to relate with their families. Is that good?
They were so happy. They were so happy. That is the most important thing. They're so happy. They've not seen them for many years.
Thank you so much. Your name once again for the record.
Abdullahi Awal Muhammad, simply called A.A. Muhammad. Ma is Muhammad, not Muhammad.
Thank you so much.
I appreciate it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nick.
You should remember the last